Brown. I'm here in Emeryville, California with Oru Kayak, and Jess is going to show us how you put this lake together. It's 18 pounds, and look how quick for the ladies and men. Oh yeah, you got it. I know, this is great. I'm excited to try this.
This is a really fun, playful model to get you out on the water.
She's beating me. Not that I'm being competitive or anything.
Well, now I've got this slightly out of place.
There you go. Okay. Awesome!
Yep.
This is how it's done! Hey! So I am in the lake and we're paddling. Awesome! I'm in the Elkhorn Slough in Monterey County. This is a Oru Kayak. It's an origami kayak, and that means it's a foldable kayak, and I've got sea otters all around me. It's so amazing.